Hello, it is Monday, December 15th, 2014. There's the new bridge. Darn, I forget the name of that bridge. Replaced an old one that came to this side of the road about a year ago. Piles of dirt, construction, trailers, cranes everywhere. Right ahead there's one of the casting yards where they cast those sections for the bridge. There's another casting facility. I believe it's in Cottage Grove, a great big heated building where they're casting more pieces like that all year round. Lots of traffic. There are cranes everywhere. As you can see, there's fog all over. It's supposed to get cold in the next day. It's like it hit 50 degrees yesterday. Just behind the red lights is the form they started building several months ago for one of the on-ramps to the bridge going east. Boy, the traffic is noisy here. I was taking pictures down at Sunnyside Marina, and I could hear the pile driving machine that's piling, that's pushing pilings into the bluff on the Wisconsin side. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can count 12 cranes. There might be some other cranes I can't see. But this is great progress for people that have followed the this issue with the old lift bridge built from downtown Stillwater to Holton from 1929 to 1931. There was the last big flood that came through, pushed that bridge 18 inches off center. And over the years there's been problems with the lift bridge being out of alignment. Well, that'll do it, pushing it off center. And the idiots from the Sierra Club fought and fought and fought and fought this new bridge for years and years, and delayed and delayed and delayed, while morning eastbound traffic on the Wisconsin side would back up 2 miles or more, and afternoon westbound traffic would back up 1 mile or more, trying to cross a stupid little, well, it's not stupid, but a narrow little 2-lane bridge that's been outdated for about 30 years. And thanks to a program on, I believe it was the History Channel, a guy from St. Paul did a series of shows about the crumbling infrastructure of America, and the old Stillwater Bridge was in one of those shows, and he showed how the thing is just falling apart. And I believe that was January of 2012 or 2011. And thank God, finally after that show, Amy Klobuchar and Michelle Bachmann wrote worked together and wrote companion bills in the U.S. House and Senate that allowed this bridge to be built, bypassing all the restrictions of the Wild and Scenic Rivers Act that covers the St. Croix River. And Obama thankfully signed the bill in March. But the bridge that lots of Stillwater citizens say, I'll believe it when I see it, is being built. Major work started on it about a year and a half ago. Test drillings in the river. And sorry, my hands are getting cold. My hands are shaking. Test drillings in the river to see how far they would have to go down. But I'll be happy to see it. When it's done, I'll be happy to, hopefully I can be here the first day it's opened and drive across the river on a new 4-lane bridge. Well, I'm getting cold, my hands are shaking. Thanks for watching. Bye.